Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Satsukiyama Park. Satsukiyama Park is a beautiful park in Ikeda City, Osaka. It's at the foot of Mount Satsuki, which is about 350 meters tall. The park is popular with families and hikers. In spring, you can see cherry blossoms. In autumn, you can enjoy colorful leaves. Recently, the park has become famous for its night views. Many couples visit in the evening. Inside the park, there is a free zoo called Satsukiyama Zoo. You can see animals like wombats and alpacas. Wombats are from Australia. They are rare in Japan. Ikeda City and Lancaster Station in Australia are sister cities, so the zoo keeps wombats to show this friendship. The zoo is small, but you can see the animals up close. It is fun for both kids and adults. The park also has a viewing spot, hiking trails, grass areas, and a playground. You can enjoy nature all day. Recently, cafes and shops selling local goods have opened in the park. Satsukiyama Park is about a 50-minute walk from Hankyu Ikeda Station. It's a great place for a short trip from Osaka City. If you want to relax, see animals, and enjoy nature, Satsukiyama Park is a good place to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.